Get ready to hear dynamic audio that brings out more depth of listening into every beat. This MB Quart soundbar brings the concert to life by showcasing vibrant RGB colors and delivers louder volume that will set the stage in the backseat of your Wrangler. Complete your Jeep Wrangler JK tuned audio system with this soundbar and feel your audio come alive. For this installation procedure, you'll need the following tools. It is always a best practice to disconnect your negative battery terminal prior to any electronics installations to avoid damaging the vehicle's electrical system. Now let's get this installed on your Wrangler. We'll start on the driver's side of the vehicle, removing the two 10mm bolts here. Then, remove one more bolt located to the left of the driver's side mounting knob. After that, remove the driver's side mounting knob. Once done, repeat the same steps on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now for the next steps, it's helpful to have an extra pair of hands for the removal of the OEM soundbar. Drop the soundbar and disconnect the two connectors and place the soundbar off to the side. Once the soundbar is out of the vehicle, remove the dome light lens and then a T10 Torx screw. Carefully unplug the connector and remove the dome light. Also remove the metal clip, as this will be used on your new MB Quart soundbar to hold the dome light. Plug in the dome light into the new MB Quart soundbar. Next, loosely install the dome light and mark the hole to drill for the T10 screw. Once the spot is marked, use a 3mm drill bit to make the hole for the metal clip. After the hole is drilled, install the metal clip and reinstall the dome light. Using a T10 Torx bit, tighten down the screw to mount the dome light in place. Let's give your new MB Quart soundbar its lighting functionality. On one end of the soundbar, you'll have 4 colored wires. Install them to the corresponding slots like so. The black wire goes to the V+, the red wire to R, the green wire to G. And the blue wire to B. To control the lighting functionality of your new MB Quart soundbar, simply scan the QR code on the device. Then download the Happy Lighting app and choose your desired color. Now back in the vehicle, plug your MB Quart soundbar into the OEM connector. Then, route the soundbar wiring along the OEM wiring toward the passenger B-pillar sill panel and then down to the floor. On the driver's side of the vehicle, reinstall the 10mm bolt next to the mounting knob. Then, reinstall the mounting knob. Next, reinstall the two 10mm bolts near the outer portion of the vehicle. Then, repeat the same steps on the passenger side of the vehicle. And with that, your installation is complete. To check out all the audio equipment for your automotive needs, visit our website at mbquart.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.